Okay, ladies and gentlemen, a very quick one here. How do we find the domain of f of x equal to 1 over the cubed root of 2x minus 1? First and foremost, we recall that the domain of a function f of x is the set of all real values of x for which f of x is defined. In this particular case, f of x is equal to 1 over cubed root of 2x minus 1. It's a fraction, and a fraction is undefined when the denominator is equal to 0. And in this case, that means we're looking for the values of x for which cubed root of 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So we solve this equation. And how do we solve this equation? The first thing we do, we find the cube of both sides so that the cubed roots get cancelled out. So this means 2x minus 1 equals to 0 cubed. But of course, 0 cubed is equal to 0. So this implies that 2x minus 1 equals to 0. And in this case, that means that 2x is equal to 1. And finally, that means x is equal to 1 over 2. What have we just found? We have found the value of x for which the denominator of f of x is 0. And that means we've found the value of x for which the function is undefined. And that tells us that the domain of f of x is equal to all real numbers except 1 over 2. And how do we write that technically? So we either write that as x in real such that x is not 1 over 2. We either write it that way, or in interval form, that means negative infinity to 1 over 2 union 1 over 2 comma infinity. And that is it. Notice that it will be a different problem when the denominator is square root of 2x minus 1 and not cubed root. But that is a story for another day. Catch you in the next video.